Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue learning our Python basics, and in the part 1 we have seen the basic rules to frame the variables and we have seen some examples also. And now we'll continue with more examples and better understanding of Python variables. But before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when you add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's learn about Python variables. Visit this URL, this is there in the description. You can read all the content here, scroll down, and you will get at the end you will get two links. One, here it is, the one link is with questions only, what will be working now, and the other one is with the solution. So you can click and go to through GitHub, you can go to your Colab Lab platform and work on both the pages. So that will help you to understand. Better to start with the questions only, and then you can take the help of the solution part also. In the part 1, we finished up to this point, give the name of the variable as diff and why there is an error. So the reason is diff is a internally used Python keyword, so you can't use that. Now then we'll start from the below that can use underscore as starting character of a variable name, and we'll add two variables. So I am adding a code here. So I am slightly, let's move up. Underscore we have to star a equal to 5. Then similarly one more, say underscore b equal to say 6. Then we'll come back, print underscore a plus underscore b. So let's run this. So it will take bit time because it has to allocate the resources here. You are seeing this first time it's connecting, then the RAM, disk and all it will allocate, and then it will give the result. Next time onwards it will be fast only. So that is why it's taking. Okay, fine, it has given me 11. Here you can see the resources are allotted. Now let's go to the next one. Swap the values of variable x and y without using a temporary variable. Fine. So code here, x equal to, let's say, I will use x equal to say 5 again and y equal to 6. Now what I am going to do is y comma x equal to x comma y. Now fine. Now let's say print x comma y. So this will do the reverse now. X is 6 now, y is 5. So this is how. Can you start a variable with a number? Check with an example. Yeah, fine. Let's do this. This is against the rule of the variable, by the way. For a, say I am giving 25. Now what I am going to do is print for a, because my variables not supposed to start with a number. So this will generate a error for me. So invalid decimal literal. Fine, because this 4 is not allowed here because my variables can't start with that. Fine, assigning multiple variables, same value, same time, print one value. Okay, fine, let's go that. So multiple a equal to b equal to c equal to d equal to, let's say, 50. Now what I am going to do is print d, one value I am printing. Now 50. So I can a, b, c, d all gets the same value. So here assign multiple variables different value at same time, print sum of 2. Fine, we'll do that. Let's come here, a comma b comma c equal to, let's say, 30 comma 40 comma 50. So I am giving. Let's sum b and c and see the check the result. So print b plus c. So let's see. Yeah, 90. So 40 plus 50, b and c it has added. So print without line break. Now see, every print command at the end it adds a line break by default. How I will override that line break, that we will see without line break. But for that purpose we'll use a, now let me just, code block, a equal to, let's say, welcome, b equal to, let's say, give some space here, to c equal to, let's say, Python. Fine. Now what happens? Print. Now say I am printing a. I am not doing anything. Print b. not doing anything, print C. What happens is when you print this one, it will say welcome to Python, because at the end of each print command it adds one line break. Now say I don't want a line break. So what I am going to do is copy this, come here, code. Now what I am going to do is A end equal to fine B end equal to, so I am just overriding that line break with a blank. So I am not giving any space here. So now it will, the line break is no more used. Let's just see, print ABC. Yeah, welcome to Python in a single line. We'll add separator now. So for that I am putting a code here. Let's move up a bit. Now I will say print welcome. Now next comma. Now I am saying to. Now say Python. Now this is here. I will write another one, separator equal to here the gap. So dash. Now let's just run this and see. Yeah, welcome to Python. The separator is added there. Add two variable, one with non-value and other one with a number. Let's see, because we are not supposed to do that. A equal to none, then B equal to 45, then say print A plus B. Okay, now let's see, is generator supported operand, because non-type with an integer we can't mix it. So now delete a variable and then use it. So fine, we'll do that. Here we'll add a code. So what we are going to do is A equal to 5. Now what I am saying is delete A. Now I'll say print A. Let's run this. I'll get error because A is not defined, because I have deleted it. So this is how, and the next will move to our placeholders. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience. We'll continue further by knowing what are the reserved words, built-in functions and the user defined functions. All the requirements for the basic Pythons we'll learn, and I hope you are enjoying these tutorials. And if you are facing any issues, any doubts, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.